We're going to start off by talking about Supermicro because they have launched a pre-configured Kubernetes Edge AI appliance with our friends from Red Hat and Everpure that simplifies AI deployments outside of traditional data centers. The turnkey system combines Supermicro Edge servers, Red Hat OpenShift, and Portworx storage into a single package. That's allowing businesses to quickly deploy AI inference workloads like factory inspections, predictive maintenance, and retail analytics where the data is actually being created. The self-healing platform can also operate autonomously during network outages, which makes it well suited for remote locations without dedicated IT staff. Al, do you think that having all of this pre-configured hardware and software together will become the default way that companies are going to deploy Edge AI? Or are enterprise tech teams still going to prefer those custom artisanal handcrafted custom built setups?
Well, I think organizations that already have artisanal handcrafted setups out at edge locations will continue to use them. Although, to be fair, edge locations are not really where you want artisanal handcrafted things. Those should be nice and close to the artisans. Edge locations is typically where you want appliances, where you want equipment that you ship to site, have it turn on and have it operate and centrally managed, but not sending your craftspeople out to those edge locations, particularly when you have thousands of them and they're spread around the whole country or the whole world. So yeah, I think edge AI being very much appliance based is the way we will see this play out for the true edge. This is the locations where there are no IT staff, where you maybe have minimum wage staff, or maybe even unmanned sites where there are just customers. These are the kinds of places where you ship appliances, and those appliances need to be hardened, secured, and managed as a large fleet. So this move with Supermicro partnering up with Red Hat, or continuing to partner with Red Hat, continuing to work with Everpure, and specifically the Portworx software features that Everpure acquired, allows the use of storage inside these Supermicro edge servers with your AI environment. Absolutely awesome. I love particularly that this is designed to operate disconnected, because it's one of the characteristics of edge locations. Connectivity back to corporate will fall off now and then, depending upon how remote you are. That may be all of the time it's falling off. So yeah, this looks really good. Nice to have the combination of providers here together, and Supermicro tin, as we know, really well liked for deploying out in large numbers.